Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Improved Celeste fig. Improved Celeste is a little smaller than our other figs. I'd be interested to hear from people whether their Improved Celeste is also smaller than average. But one thing I really love about it is the color. I mean, you can see here, it's a kind of a gray purple color. And if you look at one while it's still beginning to ripen, it's just got this pastel to it that's really beautiful. You can see here the fig on the right is just starting to turn color, and the fig on the left is closer to being ripe. I mentioned this in another video that, we have sold produce at farmers markets before. And, for example, we've sold mulberries at farmers markets. And they're pretty easy sell because they look like raspberries or blackberries. But selling figs is a little bit different because to get a ripe fig ready for sale at the market, you really have to let it sit on the tree so long that it doesn't look ripe to the unaided eye or to the person who's not familiar with figs. Like right here, if you saw this kind of cracking on any other type of fruit in a store or in a market, you would question it. You'd be like, is that really edible? Is that really good to eat? And the fact is that this is probably not even totally ripe for this Improved Celeste. So you can kind of see beyond the issue of getting figs to market when they're ripe. Is would the customers really accept fully ripe figs? But let's go ahead and pull a couple and take a look, and we can talk about the appearance of figs a little more. The wind is picking up and hitting the plastic, so I'll try to speak a little louder here. When we open this up, it's ripe. Look at that. It is ripe. It's ready to go. And so you can see the interior looks great to the someone not familiar with figs. They'd be like, oh, that looks edible. But just from the outside, it's not ready for consumption. So when I present these figs to people, I like to cut them open first, especially for people that are not familiar with figs, so that they'll understand that the exterior doesn't really speak to what's going on inside. All right, let's go ahead and take a taste. And that's good. It reminds me of some of the other Mount Etna type figs. It's got just a tiny bit of tartness to it, so it's not only honey sweet, but boy, there's a lot of sugar in that. This is Improved Celeste fig. It's a good fig, relatively early ripening, but for me, the thing I like about it the most is the exterior coloring. It's the way it ripens is very beautiful.